Do you want to get fit fast, lose fat, build muscle, and transform your body in record time? Well, you've clicked on the right video. I've put together a powerful body transformation plan that works for any fitness level. No crazy diets, no gimmicks, just real, proven strategies to help you get in the best shape of your life. Stick around to the end for a 7-day transformation challenge. You can start today. Let's go. First, let's talk workouts. If you want maximum results in minimum time, you need to combine strength training to build lean muscle, height workouts to burn fat and boost metabolism, active recovery to prevent injury and keep energy high. Sample workout plan. Follow this for the next 7 days. Day 1, full body strength training. Day 2, height cardio plus core. Day 3, upper body and abs. Day 4, active recovery stretching, yoga, walking. Day 5, lower body and glutes. Day 6, height plus strength combo. Day 7, rest or light movement. Processed junk food, sugary drinks, excessive alcohol. Listen, getting fit isn't just physical, it's mental too. To stay on track, follow these 3 mindset hacks. Set clear goals. Know what you're working towards. Track your progress. Take pictures and measure results weekly. Stay disciplined, not just motivated. Motivation fades, but habits last. Now, here's your 7-day challenge to kickstart your transformation. Follow the workout plan I shared earlier. Eat clean, no junk food, no excuses. Drink to -3 liters of water daily. Get at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Stay accountable. Comment "I'm in" below and update your progress. Are you up for it? Drop in the comments if you're ready to transform. Getting fit fast is possible if you commit to the plan. Now it's your turn. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more transformation tips. And hey, comment below, what's your biggest fitness struggle? Let's help each other out in the comments. See you in the next video. Stay strong, stay focused, and let's get fit fast.